Welcome coders. In this video we are going to learn about a concept called look behind and look ahead in regular expressions. Now these two concepts are rarely touched by some of the tutorials, or if it is touched then it is very confusing. So in this tutorial I will make it quite simple for you to understand and to implement these two concepts. Okay, now look ahead means in regular expression is that there will be a target string, you have to match that string, and whenever that string is matched, the variable or you can say the data that is just behind to that targeted string will be extracted. This means is that I have written one sentence at line number 5. You can see that a cup of coffee cost $5, a black coffee $10, cappuccino $13 for 34 cents. Now please don't go with the actual meaning of it. It is just for a representative purpose and to implement the example. Now here the target is that dollar. So the actual question would be that extract all the numerical values that are followed or you can say that has dollar after it. So in this case, who are the qualified numbers, that is 5, 10 and 13. 34 at the end will be excluded because it has cents after it. So we want only extract those numerical values that are present, or you can say we want to extract only those numerical values which have dollar after it. So to build that, we will write or you can say we will build one regular expressions that will do this job. Now this kind of job is normally done by a special kind of regular expressions. They are basically called lookAround. Means there will be a centralized string, based on it it will extract the strings that are present either behind or in the front of it, or in the ahead of it. So it's a lookAround as a whole. It has been addressed. Okay, now to build a regular expressions that will do this job, so first I will write a variable called pattern. You can say any name, but I have given it a pattern. So pattern look ahead, okay, equal to re.compile. Now inside it I will write the actual regular expressions that will do this job. Okay, so first I will have r means raw string. Now inside it our goal is to extract all the numbers. First our target is to extract all the numbers. So to extract all the numbers, we will have pair of square bracket, and inside it I will give 0 to 9. So it will extract all the numbers from 0 to 9. Okay, and how many numbers it will extract at one means it will match how many numbers, that is at a max 2. Okay, so I will have pair of curly brackets after it, and I will give 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2 means if I give only 1, then it will extract only 5. If I give only 2, it will extract only 10, but I want 5 also, I want 10 also, I want 13 also. So it will have the first, it will match 5, it will match 10 and it will match 13. So for that I will have 1 comma 2. Once this is done, then I will create the regular expressions. They are called look ahead. Now for look ahead, where I will have pair of brackets. Inside it I will have one question mark, after that equal to. Now this is look ahead. Now after that, now it will look ahead of what? It will look ahead of dollar symbol. So I will give dollar, but dollar symbol has one special function in regular expression. So I have to suppress the functionality of dollar. So for that I will have backslash. So this backslash will negate the special functionality of dollar, and it will match the literal, or you can say the text dollar symbol that is present inside our string. So once we have built it, I will come here, then I will let's say I have a list called list of look ahead equal to re.find all. Inside it, first I will pass the pattern look ahead, then I will pass string look ahead. Okay, once this is done, then I will print then list of look ahead. Now let's run it, and you can see we have extracted 5, 10, 13, but we have skipped 34 because after 34 we have cents. So we don't want all the any 2-digit values that they are having, if they are not having any dollar. Now if the question is reversed, means we want to extract all the values where we don't have dollar. This means in this string, in the line number 5, only 34 cents is qualified in for that query. So there is a negative look ahead. Now negative look ahead means that we will not match this condition, except it whatever is there, extract that. Now for that we will just have one nugget symbol over here, and we will check a nugget symbol, and it can, because it is not having an equal to symbol, so it will do the negation of job. So I will run it once more. You can see it has okay. I will only give 2 over here, so that it will match up only 34. Okay, you can see we have extracted only 34. So this is negative look ahead. Now we'll go and we'll check with look behind. Now concept of look behind is opposite of look ahead. That is, we'll extract only those numbers where there is a dollar symbol preceding to it, like $5, $13, now $7. Okay, now for that we will build the regular expressions. So similarly, how I have built it over here, I will build something like this. First I will deactivate, or I can say I will comment line this print. Okay, now I will write pattern look behind equal to re.compile. Then inside it I will have raw strings. Okay, now in case of look behind, the way we have given in look ahead, but the latter part of the expressions that will come forward. So first we will specify what to look behind. So what is the anchor, string? Okay, now what is the anchor alphabet over here? So in our case the anchor symbol is the dollar. So first here we will write look behind expression. So in this case we will have again pair of brackets, then question mark. Then for using look behind we will have a less than symbol. Okay, equal to, this is our look behind. Okay, now we want to have dollar, but we want to negate the action of dollar, so backslash. So once this is done, then we will come after it, then inside it I will write the expression to match the numbers. So in this case we will also have the same expressions like 0 to 9, and how many we want to match? We want to match 1 and 2. So once this is done, then I will have, let's say, list of look behind. I will make B capital. Once this is done, then I will come here, then re dot find all, then first argument would be the pattern look behind, and I will pass the string, that is test string look behind. Okay, now if everything goes well, we will see the numbers that are present over here. So I will change this number so that it will be easy for you to identify it is extracting from which string. So I will make it 16, and I will make it is there any 9 in this line? No, there is no 9. Okay, now let's print. We have only one print statement and it will not press. Okay, fine. Now let's print it. Okay, we got some error. Let's check what is the error. Why are you not extracting? All right, I have got the error. Instead of R I have given F, so it is not working. That's the reason. It's a very quite small mistake, but it's not working, right? So now I guess it will write. Yeah, now we have extracted. Okay, where is output? Okay, now we have got 7, 6 and 9, so it is working. Look behind, it's working, and it is extracting all the numbers that are after dollar. So this is how look behind and look ahead works. Hope this example will help you to clear the doubts that is regarding these two concepts of regular expressions, and we will meet in the next video. Okay, till then, goodbye.